Hey, this guy back with another pack opening. Another Surging Sparks today. Think I'm gonna go with Latios pack. Let's just dive right into it. Yesterday I pulled the EX of this Pikachu. Not the full art, that would have been nice. Let's see what we can get out of this pack. Grass Energy, Alolan Diglett, Spheal, Capsakid, Larvesta, Quaquaval. Hey, I got it right that time. Deduction Kit, Ceruledge, Morlul, reverse, a Pansear, reverse, and Iron Crown Hollow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.